Um, I'm not even sure what happened besides that truck just ran me over.
What the fuck?
That truck ran me over.
Oh god. Oh god.
It blew up my scooter. Scooty Puff Jr., no.
Let's get you to the hospital. You're burning. You're on fire. Try not to catch the back of this car on fire, please.
I'll do my best.
No, you're good. You're good. I got the AC on to try and stop any flames, but there might be a lot of smoke in here.
Oh, we're dead.
I'm heading to the hospital. Someone, I just saw them get blown up by a truck.
I don't even know what happened, guys.
10-4, welcome aboard.
Oh, that's good. I have no clue what happened. I don't even know what happened. Damn. Oh. I don't know why I come to that door and drag my damn camera down. My savior. Yeah, I'm not really sure what happened. I was going through the intersection and then that truck just landed on top of me.
You're good.
Jeez, that was scary.
You stay safe.
Appreciate it, bud.
I'm glad you had a helmet on.
Right, appreciate it, man.